Hello and welcome back to Idiot with a Soldering Iron. Today we are continuing on our Rockford Fosgate 301S, which had a blown traces, if you remember, and bad power FETs. Well, we have gotten our new power FETs in here. Oops. And today we are gonna see if we can't finish this amp here, make it a happier, more productive amplifier. So first of all, I did a shitty job pulling these out, so I still got a little bit of solder in the hole here, so go ahead and get this out quick. You know, I really should have changed tips. Damn it. You know, I'm gonna have to. Alright, so turn this off, cool it off. I think a little flux might be in order. I think I should have went with a little bit bigger tip. Yep, I gotta go with a bigger tip. Ooh, that smells all like cancer. Good thing I'm not in California, right? Everything out there gives you cancer. Oh, the fucking air out there gives you cancer, don't it? I ain't never been. I have no desire to go. Alright. Get this tip here heated up quick. I'll finish getting the rest of our solder out of here. Oh yeah, much better, much better. Now we'll just go ahead and get this hot and drop them in, maybe. Maybe? Can we get lucky? Yeah, there we go. Pull this out just a little bit here. And get this down where it needs to be. A little bit more. Come on, there you go. Alright. Oh, damn. Pretty much right on the money, looks like. Flux. Yeah, that'll work. Good enough for me. You know, I really should invest in one of these, what are they, Teflon mats, those heat mats. I'm not sure what they're made out of. can do a little better with this one. Uh-oh. Why is my air shut? My air's not working right. That's not good. I was just talking highly, you fucking piece of shit. One of these days I'm gonna learn to keep my fucking mouth shut. Because every time I say something good about something, it fucking around shits the bed on me. Alright, get us some flux. Flux. And some solder. Yes, solder. Here in America, L is silent. I could probably go a little bit more. Damn it. Fucking solder bridge. There we go. Alright, yeah, did we bridge our break there? Looks like we did. And we still got this break here. There we go. Nice little solder bridge. I'll go ahead and trim all these legs. Seems a lazy fucker that made this had no pride in his work. Yeah, I better not be flicking him off everywhere. They like to end up inside of equipment. You go popping them off and just letting them fly. They like to fall down inside ventilation holes. And then you've got a piece of metal laying across the circuit board. And bad things happen. I mean, do people not have pride in their work anymore? Does nobody give a shit about what they do? You know, I'm an assembler. I build shit, put stuff together. And god damn it, every one of those machines I put together, I build to as if I was the one buying it. Get all the solder shit out the way. I don't want to smoke our board. You know, because I don't want something that I wouldn't buy going out. You know, I build it to as if I'm building it for myself, within reason, you know, within the scope of what we can do. I mean, granted, some of the stuff that we do, you sit there and you're scratching your head asking yourself, what the hell is the engineer thinking on this? But as you can tell, I'm not an engineer, so alright, let's get our power supply set back up here. 9 volts. And 2 amps. Yeah, well, 2 amps should be alright, I guess. Oh, fuck. Knocking you guys silly today. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Alright, where is my other clips? It's right here. Alright, so looks like we've got 0.02 amps on the draw. This may not do anything without an audio input. Alright. Let's see if we can get anything on the scope here. I had a little bullshit little camera here I was gonna try and use on here, but the quality, that was the camera that I used in my live stream attempt when I found out that my computer actually has a heart attack when I tried doing a live stream with OBS. Alright, let's see what our power FET is doing. Alright, there we go. Now we're building a driveway. Ooh. Something does not look happy. Oh. Alright, so we got our got our drain, our gate, if I can get it in there. There we go. not a happy waveform. That is not a happy waveform to me. Alright, and our output. Current's fluctuating. It's up to 0.05, so and let's see what our other one is. Eh. Alright, there we go. Come on in, you can do it. Oh, come on. Trying to set my trigger level right. There we go. Alright. That just does not look happy to me. I don't know, guys. Let's run up the line here. See, I'm starting to second guess my equipment now. I don't know. Because that just looks terrible. Just terrible. You know what? Let's go ahead and up the voltage. Let's go 12 volts. Alright. 12 volts, and we're pulling 0.056. Alright, let's see what this does for us. I still don't think that looks right. Alright, so sorry about that, guys. I had some company come over and they left. I come back to continue the video and I forgot to press play or record. So before, you, as we were seeing, my drive waves were looking real funky. Something definitely was not right. Something was going on weird. So I think we were right there where we had ramped the power up. So when we ramped the power up to 12 volts, we had a very high current draw. And you see now, it's pretty good. We're 12 volts, just under an amp. So if we come down here and look, you will see that I have removed one of our power FETs. See if I can zoom this in. And if you notice, let's see here. This is about, let's see. So as you can see here, we got a little scrapey scrape action going on. We had carbonization right in through here, and it was shorting across these two, and wasn't, apparently it didn't hurt nothing as far as I can see, because it didn't get to the FET. So I think the FET's okay. I do have it pulled out. I could go ahead and test it. So let's go ahead and put this one back in. Alright. Get us some flux. Can never have too much flux. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Looks like we got it bridged. Now let's make sure we don't have any shorts. Alright, so looks like we're charging a capacitor. And the megohm. And the megohm. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Let's power it up and see if she chooches. Make sure you guys are commenting down below. And rating. And subscribing would be nice. Let me know how bad I'm fucking up. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, I'm missing a lead. There we go. Alright, let's see if we've still got some nice pretty drive waves. Looks like a nice healthy wave. That looks like a nice healthy wave. That's a good one. Looks like we got smoke again, and we're back drawing down to 4.8 volts, so something is definitely not happy. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're not happy. We still got carbon in the board. So, let's go back digging some more. And we don't want hertz. We want ohms. Okay, so we need a little. That's when I wish I had me a little Dremel tool. This probe tip will have to work. Let me go grab a razor blade. Alright, now, let's see if we can't fuck ourselves up good proper now. If you're gonna do anything, you might as well do it right. My little magnifying glass here. Let's try this out. Let's try this out and see how it does. Give me some. Give me a little isopropyl alcohol. Make sure we get all our flux cleaned up, just in case the chance that it might be conductive. I highly doubt it. But better be safe than sorry. Alright, there we are, all nice and clean. Let's fire this bad boy up and see what she do. And we are still. That's over on the other side. No, you guys can't see. Let me get you in frame here. Yeah. Now she's smoking on the other side. Looks like we got some carbonization over here as well. Now let's go ahead and pull this one now. Here's some flux. I still ain't figured out what's going on with the hot air. It just, I don't know, I quit all of a sudden, just quit putting air out. So, this'll do it. That's how I did the other side when I wasn't recording, so. It just takes a while. Come on, you can do it. Just think you can. You lay her down on her side, get a little more heat. And she's coming. She's getting there. Oh, come on. Let me get a little more heat out of her, maybe. Yeah, she can't keep up. Come on. There it is. I told you it'd do it. Alright, let's go ahead and pop that FET back out. I don't have my tip in there right, it's cocked to the side. Must be soldered on the other side a little bit. Must have had some solder come through the views. Yeah. Get some flux. Should be able to draw it up from here. Just put some flux on it. The more flux, the more better, right? Isn't that how it works? Yeah, you can go ahead and shut off. We don't need you right yet. Oh, that's hot. And flux. Because why? Because we can. I'm probably going to rip these vias out. You know, I got tweezers. I think a smart man would use them. Alright, now we got both FETs back out. Another Q-tip. Alright. Let's fire it up again. I like how that just sticks up in there. It wasn't, I haven't put that wire on there. It was on there from the previous owner. Oh yeah, see that? Oh no, you can't see shit. But you can actually, I don't know, be a hard, let's see. You see the little, I don't know if you guys can see the little sparks. That's the carbonization happening right there in front of your eyes. That is the board turning into carbon and becoming conductive. So, well, hang on now. It seems to have quit, but I'm gonna dig it out. So, Alright, more diggy dig, more scrapey scrape. You guys actually get to see me do it this time. Yeah, may have done it. Doesn't look like there was a whole lot. It wasn't near as bad as it was on the other side. That other side, it was had smoke rolling off of it. Yep, there we go. Now we're 12 volts, 0.85 amps. No sparkies. Good, good. Alright. Let's see if we can drop this FET back in here and have a working board. So have you guys left your comments down below yet? Tell me everything I'm doing wrong, you know. Tell me the right way of doing it, you know. There we go. They're all cleaned up, all pretty like. Oh, we need a little more flux, don't we, guys? We need more flux. There we go. Alright, it looks like we got our cracked solder joint, or not solder joint, cracked broken trace. Words are hard. Now looks like we got the trace all taken care of here. Get all flux here cleaned up. Alright, let's throw some juice to her. See what she does now. Oh shit. Everything's feeling cool. I don't think we're on though. We're only pulling 1/10 of an amp. There we go. Uh-oh. Damn it. I didn't get it all. Where are we at? Yep. I think we have a problem. Alright. Well, guys, I do apologize. This is going to have to be continued in a later video. It is getting late, and I still have a real job to go to, so we will continue our fun. We will continue our fun in the next one. And as I fucked it up before, and nobody seemed to tell me, make sure that you please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm looking forward to all of your criticisms. On that note, we shall call it a night. Good night.